Welcome back to Andrea Jean's morning meditation. This 10-minute meditation is going to help kickstart your day with these abundant I am affirmations. I want you to get comfortable, relaxed, and take a deep breath in and exhale. These next 10 minutes are for you and you alone. You are going to have an amazing day, the most abundant day. You have so much clarity on the steps that you need to take in your growth, happiness, confidence, and success. With these affirmations, I want you to repeat them to yourself as if these words were your own. I want you to have feeling behind these words and affirmations. I want you to visualize your best self as you repeat these affirmations. I greet today with calmness and confidence. I am grateful for all that I have and all that is. Wonderful things will unfold before me today. I inhale confidence and I exhale doubt. Wonderful opportunities are ahead of me. Today is a beautiful adventure. I am whole and complete. I feel so positive and good things come easily. I am more successful every day. I love and appreciate myself. My mind is full of positive thoughts. I can handle all challenges that come my way. I am filled with love and success. I have unlimited potential. I choose peace each day. All good things are flowing into my life today. Wealth is flowing to me today. I am in charge of my life. I am loving my life. I am filled with opulence and prosperity. My creativity is flowing endlessly. Amazing things will happen for me today. I feel healthy, charged up, and full of life. I attract love everywhere I go. I am confident in my abilities. I can achieve anything today. I am strong, successful, and powerful. I am beautiful, and I have appreciation for those around me. I see my success so clearly. I am unstoppable. I am exactly where I need to be today. I am taking steps each day to feel happier, healthier, and more abundant. The universe is giving me exactly the vibration that I'm putting out there. The energy I want to attract, I am emitting. I choose my thoughts. I am in control of my life. Nothing can stop me from reaching goals and dreams that I have set for myself. I radiate positivity. My life is filled with beautiful people, things, and experiences. And nothing will stand in my way today. I find solutions to the most difficult problems today. I am blessed and grateful for everything that is in my life. Possibilities are endless for me. My relationships are strong and are thriving. I feel peace, joy, and harmony today. Today is a beautiful day. I am choosing my thoughts, emotions, and actions today. I handle situations with calmness and peace. I am excelling at all things that I intend to in life. It's an amazing day to live my goals. Today is a wonderful day. I am energized and ready to tackle anything that comes my way. I already have what it takes. I believe in my abilities and who I am. Thank you for joining me here today and taking this time to excel on your path to success, freedom, happiness, and kickstart your day. I teach females and women entrepreneurs of how to go from a place of stuck to unstuck and make their dreams a reality. If you're looking for additional motivation and affirmations, I have a whole playlist in the description box below. Because today is a beautiful day, my friend.